Cay.
All right. Hey, can you put Wally on?
We've
Who's
just
Wally?
had a
Who is Wally?
marvelous
Right
dinner
I don't know how to do it.
over at Echelon. Thank you. And now we're having, oh my goodness, a chocolate
It kind of looks
martini.
gross, but it's delicious.
I'm gonna have
Very
one too.
And yeah, Bernie's having one. Here he goes.
Here he goes. He's going
Okay.
in.
I'm
Should
not
we go
going-
out and have a look-see
Yeah.
outside?
Oh yeah, whatever.
I don't really think there's anything to see
Oh,
except for
there's
this
lots of it.
beautiful water. But here we are. We're still at Shroud Cay. And we got some clouds moving in, which is a little ominous. Did you guys see this?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. Okay. There's LED over there. Of course, she's already got her anchor light on because she's super prepared. And there's boondocks. Okay, well, the super preparedness really means that we forgot to turn it off today.
Been on all day long.
And here's bartender. Hey, bartender.
Cheers.